Hello. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to create a simple data entry screen in QuickApp through an example. First, I want to show you what the final version of the example we'll be developing will look like. We'll create a new workspace group called Definition. And within this group, there will be a workspace named Items. Now, let's open the Items workspace. The purpose of this workspace is to view products belonging to the selected brand and category group, and to add new products. In the simple screen I've prepared, let's add a new product to the textile, bottom, Bermuda product group, for example. Let's name our product Jack's Bermuda. When I press Enter, we've created a new product named Jack's Bermuda, with an item ID automatically generated. To specify the colors related to this product, we can double-click on the Colors section and select from the predefined colors. For instance, let's choose black, white, and khaki. When I click OK, we'll see that these colors have been successfully assigned. In the item description section, we can add additional comments about the product. For example, we might write, "This item is a part of summer collection. Enter, blah blah." Yes, I clicked OK, and as you can see, this description is now part of the product's description section. To view the item description again, I can double-click, and from the window that opens, I'll be able to review the data. The purpose of this simple screen is to demonstrate a few key features. For example, how a new row is activated. This is called New Row section. And when entering new data, how certain fields, especially ID fields, are defined. Additionally, I want to show how list type data, like colors, and code type data work in this screen.